this is Euler's modified method, right? In numerical methods. So in this question, we are being given our f of x. Sorry, yeah, this is our f of x. The y over dx is equals to x plus 3y. So basically, you need to know these formulas, right? These two formulas. Sorry, you need to know these two formulas, right? This is our f of x, and this is the first formula. So this is the first formula and this is the second one. So this is the normal Euler method and this is the modified Euler method that you need to know. So coming down to this table, let's begin to solve. So first of all, we are being told that our x, that's when x is 0, y is equals to 1, and we are being told that we should find the value of y when x is 1. So we know that our range for x is 0 to 1. So that's why here we have 0 to 1. Some of you might be wondering why is this 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, yada yada. It's because we have our age, which is the step size, right? So it's like 0 plus 0 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 plus 1.1, we have 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, yada yada. So it keeps going that way. So for our first y, we are being told that when x was 0, y is 1. So that's why we have a 1 right here. So since the 1 is here, we go ahead and solve in for our first which is the normal Euler method, which is this formula where our yn is our present y, which is 1. So you input 1 into this place, then our h, which is the step size, 0.1, open bracket. You see from this f down to this end of this bracket, right? This is it here. It is this equation. It represents this equation. So all you do is you put your value of x here. Our x is 0 and our y is 1. So by the time we do 0 plus 3 times 1, yeah, we have that's 3. Yeah, so that's how we got 3 here. So for this next part, it is our yn, right, which is the total of this formula, So basically what we just did is we just swapped this box into this place. So the total of this formula now for our yn, which is like the future y, right? But this future y here is only going to be used to find the modified y. We are never going to use it in this place. Yeah, so let's go on. So using the whole of this equation now, all we just found now was just this f of x this. So now using the normal equation, we're going to say 1 plus 0.1 open bracket our 3, right? So we're going to get 1.3. So this is the 1.3. So no, we're not going to stop here. If we're doing normal Euler, we are going to stop here. So use this 1.3 as our next y, but as you can see, it's not our next y here because what we are dealing with here is modified Eulers. So next phase is our x plus 1. So we are going to use our next or our future x. So whenever I see n plus 1, just know that is the next or the future one, right? It's not the present. Xn is our present, so x plus n plus 1 is our future. So that's why we have 0.1 here. So our x plus 1 is 0.1, which is like plus the step here, right? You can see that we added the step, present plus step, we got 0.1. That's how we got 0.1 here. So next we need to do the future version of this our equation. So here it's not going to be xn plus 3yn, it's going to be future x plus 3 future y, right? That's when I say future y, you know what I mean now. So our future x is going to be 0.1. You put your 0.1 here, right, plus 3 open bracket our future y, which is here that we got here. Our future y is 1.3. So when you input that into your calculator, 3 times 1.3 then plus 0.1, you're going to get 4, right? So we go ahead and solve for this guy, our modified Euler, which is this. So for the modified Euler, this is the whole equation. So now we're not going to stress ourselves. We're just going to make things simple. We know this already. We know this guy, right? Which is this our 3. Remember, see this equation, it looks the same here. And this was the guy we just solved now, right here, our future of x and y. We got 4. So we are going to apply into this equation. So here now we know our present y is 1 right here. So you input your 1. Then our next in this place is h over 2. So h is 0.1, our step size 0.1 over 2, in which it is 0.05. Then open bracket this equation here, which is 3 that we got here, plus this equation here, which is 4 that we got here. So by the time you input all of those into calculator, you get 1.35. So now this answer is what you use for your next n. So you repeat everything we just did now using these two guys, right? So you do this plus this, you get this, not just addition like into this equation. So the next equation is going to be 0.1 plus 3 open brackets 1.35. So you're going to get this. You repeat every single thing we just did now and you get the table. So now you stop when you get your y from here, right? Because the question says what is y when our x is 1.0. Bye.